Hi, and welcome to 7 Day Shop TV. My name is Matt, and today we're going to be looking at the 7 Day Shop Bluetooth receiver. Let's take a look. The Bluetooth adapter connects directly to the 30-pin connection on your iPod dock. To connect to the Bluetooth adapter, go to Settings, then select Bluetooth, and if required, click Scan or Search for available devices. The device will appear as DS029, and when selected, type in the password 0000 to connect. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our website 7dayshop.com for thousands more great deals at fantastic prices.